recording. Hi guys, welcome to the episode. So today I'm playing with my friend. He has a channel called Funny Guy God. Yes, I am. Didn't you hear those beep or bingy thingies? Oh yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's only 5-minute recording, so y'all. I barely can hear you, dude. I gotta turn off my music, dude. No, I'm not Beyond K. I'm Dumbo K. I'm Dumbo K. Yeah, actually, I'm. Yeah, he's not one.
So we're gonna be starting to play Beast Farms. So let's get into it.
Boy.
First, I'm gonna do my Reed Blacker 2, like the worst quest ever.
Yes, it's the worst black bear quest and the easiest black bear quest in the world.
It is the worst. And by the way,
And the easiest.
Like you did before is so bad. Dumbo Kid is so bad.
Hey, I'm better than you. I have 23 beads. You only have like 10.
Because I started the game 3 days ago, guys. So this guy is better than me. So yeah. And I'm gonna be better than him very soon. Yes, he grinds the game, which I'm probably gonna do. And I'm grinding for a thingy in the pineapple zone. So
Oh, it's called the Hasty Guard, I'm pretty sure. So yeah.
no, I'm grinding for the 300,000 thingy.
Yeah, it's the Hasty Guard, isn't
No,
it?
it's not that. It's not that.
Bomber
It's
Guard?
a
What
sniper.
guard is it?
It's not a guard. It's something else. It's like yellow in the pineapple zone.
Oh, guys, it's just the Hasty Guard. It's yellow and white.
No, guys, it's actually not the hasty guard. It's something else. I'll show you guys when after my backpack is done.
Oh, sure.
So yeah. Wow, this is the best video ever.
Yeah, the best, because we both are on the call. Ha.
By the way, Dumbo Kid is pretty bad. So yeah.
Hey, I'm good. I'm better than you.
What?
You don't even have a legendary. I have 3 legendaries. I bet you have 0.
I have 0.
I have 3.
You did, and plus, by the way, Dumbo Kid doesn't have the honey storm. So yeah.
I'm just 1 legendary B away, okay, dude? Okay?
Yeah. He's pretty bad, guys.
Hey, no, you're worse, sir.
You're so bad. Okay, let's.
No, you're the worst. You're the worst B-Storm YouTuber in the world.
Let's actually play the game now.
Oh yeah, where do you want to grind?
I'm gonna pick a place. So Dumbo Kid is gonna be grinding with me. So yeah.
Where?
We're grinding at the end.
Yeah, sure deal. I'm almost there.
Guys, I'm gonna show you the 300,000 thing.
Oh, I wish I could see it.
It's the electromagnet.
Oh, that one! Oh! I was like the Hasty Guard because you said you were gonna grind it off cam.
I said it was yellow.
Yeah, and the Hasty Guard's yellow and white.
Bro, I already joined the game.
Wait, what? What's his username?
Star Wars something.
Oh, I see him. There, send him a... Wait, can I see? Let me see.
Come here.
Where?
On top of his head.
Bro, you're noob.
Guys, I'm just saying, this guy's not orange. He is
Hi.
the dum-dums of the dums.
No, he's not, actually. He's called Dumbo Kid.
Yeah, so this is Dumbo Kid. This is my friend and Dumbo Kid friend. So yeah. Okay, are we gonna grind at Dandelion now?
Oh, sure, I forgot.
Why did he join? He's not saying anything when he's not moving. Yo,
Hey.
I'm gonna dance on him.
Oh, pump my nut. Yeah, let's do that.